Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Harvest is done. What's up, everybody? It's Jordan Scott here on another Scott Family Farms video. Today we are going to try to harvest the last of our corn. It's supposed to be 45 degrees today, and we are so close to being done. We only have about 30 acres left. The only thing we're worried about is if the field is hard enough and dry enough to drive a truck in and out of. If it's not too sloppy, we'll be able to get done today, but if it's too sloppy, we'll have to figure something else out. The problem is we're on a highway and we can't really load on the road here. It just wouldn't be safe for us or other people. We will figure out a way to get it done if it is too sloppy. I think it'll be okay. The snow has melted in the last couple days quite a bit. It's supposed to be a little windy today, so hopefully we'll be all right. But I am on my way to the field right now. Dad's there getting stuff started. We might have to jump start stuff because it's been so cold, but I guess we'll see when we get there. Well, everything started up, so we're gonna try it here and see how sloppy it is. There is still a little snow and the ground is a little wet, but we're gonna load up the grain cart and see how greasy it is.
Yeah, it's greasy. Greasy.
And then we'll see if we want to load the truck or not. It's not too bad yet in the grain cart, but we don't have a lot of weight on here yet. We will load this up and see how sloppy it gets. Alright, we got a full load of corn on the grain cart here, and we're going through the field, just checking to see how sloppy it is, and it's not too bad. This is one of our more hilly fields. I'm not getting much slip, even with a fully loaded cart. So that's good. That could also be because of the tires that we have on this tractor. They're designed for mud and sloppy conditions, and they're doing pretty well out here. So we will load up the semi and see if we can get that to move. It shouldn't be an issue, but you never know in a truck. Okay, truck is loaded. We're gonna try and get it out of the field here and see what happens. Yeah, it's a little muddy yet, but we'll see if we can get going here. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, no problem. We should be able to get at least a couple loads out of here. I think it'll just dry out the more we go today, so we should be good. Let's take this load in.
I tell you what we're gonna do. We're just gonna introduce him to the boy. So move over a little bit, good buddy, because the snowman is coming through.
you got left?
About 30 acres.
Okay, you guys gonna finish up today?
Should be. Hope so.
Okay.
We were thinking it might be too sloppy, but it's not.
We will be open tomorrow, but only till noon, because we got a soybean train coming.
Okay.
So,
How late today?
probably 4:35.
Yeah, we should be able to get it.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Camera me.
You might be on YouTube later. Well, that's it. Dad is unloading the last corn for the year. Our harvest is complete. We just got to haul this into the elevator. We got a load on the truck and then just a really small load on the grain cart, and we are done. Feels good. We could have been done a week ago with the breakdown on that wheel. We just got it done today, and the weather is just finally getting nice enough to go again, so we are done. Thank you guys, everyone, for following along this year. Farming is not over for the year. Farmers don't just sit around all winter.
I don't believe you.
Stay tuned for more videos on what we do all winter, but that is the completion of our harvest. All the hard work all year long, this is what it comes down to, so feels good to be done. All right, now that harvest is over, we are out here in a cornfield, and I'm out here with the cat and the ripper. They call this a ripper because of these big shanks. They go pretty deep into the ground, up to about here or so, and they really break the ground up. If you have a hard pack somewhere, it'll open it up and allow it to breathe and make it softer. This also helps to break down all of the plant material we have out here and turn it into nitrogen that we can use for next year's crop. Another reason we're out here is we have applied fertilizer on this field, and we use this to cover it and get it incorporated into the soil. Therefore, we don't lose any of the nutrition off of the fertilizer that's been applied. So let's jump in the cat and start going round and round. The tillage is going pretty good here. We are on the church farm and getting some ripping done. Thanks for watching another Scott Family Farms video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.